Hello, happy Wednesday. I'm just gonna to wait for a couple more minutes to see if anybody join me tonight. Okay, I think I'm not sure if anybody going to join me tonight, and since it's already 7:05, so I'm just gonna to go ahead start. I have my Facebook Live every Wednesday at 7 p.m. at Central Time. So I'm just gonna to go ahead start my project today. And I know a lot of you, a lot of my girls watch the replay because they go to church on Wednesday. So I'm just going to start. And this is this week's hostess code. And if you place the order with this code, you will get extra gift from me. Okay, I'm just going to sit aside. Okay, I'm going to put on this side. Okay, so today I am going to show you how to make the bookmarks. Okay, so did you does any of you like me and using like anything when you read a book? And so in the past I make different kind of bookmark. This is what I did last year, and what you do, you have this magnetic thing. Hello Candy. Then you can just put on the page you are at. So this is one kind of bookmark, but today I want to show you the corner bookmark, which will be like this. When you read to this page, you can just put on here. I did two versions because at first version it's just the regular kind like this. Then you just put, on the page you read. But then later I think I see some bookmark they sell in the store has the tab on the top, so you can know which page you are, and if you are doing different colors, and you can find your page very easy. Okay, so I'm just going to show you how to do it. So the supplies I'm going to use today is the designer series paper, which is called All About Autumn. I showed you last time, and I'm going to show you again. I know they are in back order, but they will be available, I think, October 23rd or 22nd, somewhere around there. I like about this paper is one side is like the picture image, and it has a fall, has different texture, and I'm using this like the bookshelf for today because I feel like they are perfect for the bookmarks. And the other side is the solid color, and I like they have this copper details. You know, can you see the shining details? And those I think most of them, they are the new color or the core color we have. So this is very pretty paper, so I'm going to use this for today's project. Okay, and the stamp set I'm using is Bird's Eye View. I feel like this is so cute, especially when I put the glasses on them like this. I feel like they just look so smart. And the other set I use is On the Ocean. It's just because the word I get from here, you are a treasure. And I'm not sure. I try to look for some sentiment you can put on the bookmark. So I feel like this kind of go with that. So this is a 2 stamp set I use. Okay, so let's get started. Here is the measurement. I'm just going to put it here on the side. And the bookmark, the DSP, you just have 1 and you can make 2, okay? And the bookmark, it's 3x6 and 3x1. So you have, so this you can make 2 cards. So I'm just gonna to go ahead, start to do this. So what you need is, you score at 3. Okay, so this is a 3x6 and you score at 3. Okay, so then can you see? So from this point to this angle, so you just gonna to cut them so you create the triangle. Okay, I'm going to fold on this way. And what I want to do is, oh, I forgot. I can show you later after we finish this project, okay? I like to do this way, so you leave the top open. So in this way, you can choose if you want to put the ribbon in or you want to leave it out, okay? So you have a choice. Then if you have open on the top, you can always put your ribbon in here. So, and the other one, this is a 3x1. And we are going to score it in the half inch. Okay, like that. So you're just going to fold this in half. So I'm going to do with the one has the ribbon. And this is a new ink color, is a copper clay, and I need 5 inch of this. Let's see, I have this side 5 inch. This side is the matrix, so 5 inch. Okay. So now we are using the glue dots. I just feel like, you know, when I see this stamp set, it's so cute. And Stampin' Up has a lot of stamps. I feel like this year in the book, they don't have any sentiment to go with it. So I was a little bit hesitate to begin at the beginning, like if I want to buy this stamp set, but later I just feel, no, it's so cute, I need to have it. So you use the glue dot to secure the ribbon, okay, like that. I'm going to put more. I feel like for the ribbon, the glue dot works better. Okay, so now what you're going to do is you take this piece and you put the my glue is not working again. I'm always having the issue with this glue. Let's see. Okay, let's see. Let's see if I can fix it really quick, okay? I like to use Tumble too, but sometimes Tumble is too messy because always stick to the paper and my hand. I feel like it's sticky all the time. I need to use the paper clip to take the extra. Okay, so you are going to put this on here. Like that, okay? Hello, Jennifer. So then you fold it down, and this is the time you can trim the extra, okay? And in here, I like to trim a little bit corner so they can glue on better, okay, like that. Actually, this is a very easy project. I'm just thinking, I don't know what's happened. The clip has those black all over the screen. I'm not sure if you can see that or just me. Like that, okay? So make sure after you glue down the corners, like that, okay? So now we are pretty much do you see the flash on the screen or just me? Okay, so now we have this designer series paper. The piece I'm using is this one because this has smaller book, so you can see the book image better than the other one, which is here. So that's the reason I'm using this one today. I already cut this 2 3/4. So you just cut them diagonally. Okay. That's the reason I say you can just need one DSP, but you can make 2 bookmarks. So now you can put the bookmarks on here. Okay. And now we need to trim another cardstock. They are exactly the same size as DSP 2 3/4, 2 3/4. Okay. So this is for inside this piece. Then we're going to stamp first. And the color I am using here is the copper clay. So you are a treasure. So you can just put on here. When I stamp, I don't like to glue on first, because just in case if I made a mistake, I still can flip the paper over and stamp again. So you're just gonna to put the glue on here. Then this will be put in, and I just use this corner and this corner line with this paper. Okay, so now you have this bookmark ready, and we are going to stamp the birds. I also want to show you how I color my birds. Let's use this one, okay? Okay, so we use the Memento Black here. And stamp here. And I use the real red for the glass, okay? So there are two kind of glasses in the set. So one is more cat eye, one is round. So I'm going to use the cat eye one for this bird, okay? I am using this. And the color I am using is the real red. So you just put the glasses over, okay? And the color I'm using for this bird is the bubble bath. You need the dark and the light. And I also use the boho blue, okay? And this is a fresh fuchsia. This is only the dark. So I'm just gonna to color the body with the dark fresh fuchsia, okay? And when you color this, it's like more times you go over the color, the dark the color will be. So I am using the dark boho blue for the wing. And for this, I feel like this is a very easy shape to color, and it's kind of straight. So I'm just using the brush side. If you need more control, you can use pointed side, okay? So I'm using the light boho blue on here. I feel like this is inside the glass, so color will be lighter. You couldn't tell this that much, but when you see the pink, you can see it, okay? So this is the dark bubble bath. And you are using the light color inside the glass. I don't know if you still remember the Russell Westbrook when he was play for Thunder basketball, and he likes to, at the beginning when Harden, Kevin Durant, and Russell with us, he liked to wear the red glasses. So this remind me of him a lot. So then you just need to cut this out. See, you can see the pink better, right? The light and the dark, the difference. So in this way, you can just, because I think it sees through the glass, so the color will be a little bit different. The only thing about this is this stamp set has no die. Everything you have to cut out by yourself. Okay. So that's just a little bit challenging here. Okay. And now we are using the top dot. To raise this up. Okay. So now you have the bookmark and it will work great on your page like that. Okay. So I think this is just very cute. Like I said, you can use different color and use different bird. This color is Pretty Peacock, and this ribbon is from the past. I think it's a Pretty Peacock and the Granny Apple Green maybe. So when you have many different color, so you can actually, you know, mark. So when you are reading, you can see like which page you want to go to. So I feel like this is very cute idea. And also I make this like I think you can do 4 in a set, and I just use the pizza box, which is retired, and just decorate with more birds and the ribbon. I feel like this will be a very cute idea for somebody like to read. Okay, so I want to show you when I was a little, we used the origami to fold the corner bookmarks, which is just look like this. And this is the same way, but because our designer series paper is too thick, so I'm going to show you how to make this in the easy way. But of course, I like our better because it's cuter. But this is another way you can do the bookmark. Okay. So the finished size is 3x3, and you need this designer series paper, anyone, any kind you want. So you just need 6x6, like this. Okay. So what you're going to do is you fold this like diagonally. Okay. I tried because I want to make sure it's crisp, so I use the bone folder, but actually it's kind of tear the designer series paper. So I feel like in this way, you just, when you do this, you just press it really hard, and you're gonna do turn a 90 degree, and you do the same. Okay. Yeah, so this is the time. I don't like our designer series paper has a good quality because the paper weight is like so thick, right? So now, since you're gonna to fold this under, so this point, you're gonna to, you just fold, there's a line, right? So you're going to fold back to line up with this, like this, okay? This is super easy. When I was a kid, I make a lot of this. So since now we Stampin' Up, I came up with this way and use our cute stamp set. But if you want to make a lot and in quick, this will be another way to do it. So now you just use this line and you fold this up, okay? And here you're going to line with the line you did earlier. So when you fold the origami, every line need to line up, okay? So now you just need to tuck this in, like that, okay? And you do the same thing on the other side. Yeah, the trick for origami, you just every step you need to press hard, and you have the line, and make sure you line them up. Dun, 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 dun. So this is done, and you can use them to be a quick and easy bookmark for your book. Okay, so this is the project I want to show you today. If you can place the order with $35 order, I will send you the supplies to make 4 bookmark and also this box. So you will make a gift set for the book lovers. Okay, so $35 with this hostess code, you will get supplies to make 4 bookmark and this box. And with $75 order with this hostess code, you will also get ribbon, copper clay. So you will also get this. So just let me know if you like today's project, and I will see you next Wednesday. Okay, hope you have a great week. See you next time. Bye.